Well, let's get you a breaking update of what we are learning is that 16 Maoists have been killed in a fierce encounter with security forces in Sukma and Chhattisgarh. A large cache of weapons, including AK-47s, SLRs and other rocket launchers and explosives that have also been recovered. This was a joint operation by the DRG Sukma and CRPF followed intelligence on Maoist presence in the area. As far as two DRG Jawans, according to reports, also sustained injuries but are reported to be in a stable condition. Patrolling and search operations are ongoing with possibility of more casualties being reported. But right now, information suggests that at least 16 of those Maoists have now been gunned down. And another strike on Naxalism is something that the Union Home Minister has now put up a post on this incident being reported, where he says another strike on Naxalism. Our security agencies have neutralized 60 Naxalites and have recovered a massive cache of automatic weapons in an operation in Sukma. Under the leadership of Shri Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we are resolved to eradicate Naxalism before the 31st of March 2026. My appeal to those with arms is that weapons and violence cannot bring change, only peace and development can. Priyank, now as far as this operation is concerned, what more information that you can share with us? 16 of those Maoists have now been gunned down in this fierce encounter.
Yes, certainly, Amita, another major success for the security forces where this operation was carried out in Sukma area when the Naxals were spotted near the forest zone. What we have got to know that so far 16 Naxals have been gunned down, and the rocket launcher and the BGL launchers, which has been very much lethal for the security forces, has also been recovered from the location. The identity of these Naxals are yet to be identified, but the encounters started early morning today around 8 a.m. when the Naxals opened fire on the security forces. And what we got to know later on, that many Naxals were also injured. During the further, move by security forces, when they started moving back these Naxals, 16 bodies have been found. And what I'm getting to know through sources, that the number of casualties of the Naxals can also increase to 20. One DIG Jawan is also injured in this operation.
All right. 16 Maoists who have been killed in this fierce encounter in Sukma with the security forces, and a large cache of weapons that have also been recovered from the site. Priyank, for the moment, thank you very much.